Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can control app on an iPhone 14 series device. So basically, in order for you to be able to search through the web page, that's what the Control plus F shortcut on PC usually does, just open the web page that you would like to search through, obviously. Let me translate this web page into the English language real quick. Alrighty, next just type in what you would like to search for in this URL field that contains the URL. So let's say I want to search for the word phone on this page, and then at the very bottom you'll see on this page option, so tap on find phone or the word that you have just typed in, and now you can go to all the entries of the word that you have entered, if there are any, of course. And just like so, you can very easily control F on an iPhone. The same goes for Google Chrome as well. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.